Nothing in the image changes. Earth is an integration of all the animals, the human beings, all interconnected. So you don't see the word earth there. It's what this image is entitled. At least I don't see the word earth. Think of the creative opportunities here for each and every one of us to embellish this or create something new from this, or simply share perceptions and images with one another. Does it make you somehow change who you are as a person on this planet and what you're here to do? You know, what is your unique purpose on this planet?